Hey there, agro commodity enthusiasts. Welcome back to another insightful episode of Ajayastromoneyguru. I'm your host, Isha, and today we are diving deep into the latest updates and advanced analysis of agro commodities. So, grab your notepads because we have got some interesting news to discuss. By Financial Express, there has been some significant activity in the agro commodity market that caught our attention. The Food Corporation of India, or FCI, has been making waves by selling a substantial amount of wheat from its stocks in the open market through weekly auctions, starting from June 28. However, when it comes to rice, the numbers haven't been as high. Since July 5, FCI managed to sell only 0.1 million tons of rice. Let's break it down further. On a recent Wednesday, FCI sold around 0.15 million tons of wheat, slightly less than the 0.2 million tons offered in the auction. Meanwhile, the rice sales have seen a slower pace, with only 830 tons being sold to bulk buyers out of the 0.32 million tons offered for sale. Now, you might wonder what's driving these sales. Well, to manage cereal prices, the government had announced the sale of 5 million tons of wheat and 2.5 million tons of rice from the central pool in the open market to bulk buyers. This move comes as retail inflation in the cereal and products category was reported at 13.4% in July, showing a decline from 16.12% in January. This is significant, especially considering that cereal inflation had been in the double digits since last October. According to a food ministry official, the FCI plans to continue selling food grains from its surplus stocks until the inflationary trend in cereal prices is under control. It's worth noting that the corporation traditionally sold surplus wheat during the lean season, January-March, but this strategy has now expanded. Currently, FCI boasts a stock of 37 million tons of rice, which includes a promising 12.43 million tons expected from millers. And with wheat, the central pool stock hovers around 27.5 million tons, which is more than the buffer of 20.52 million tons for October 1. This abundance has given the FCI the resources needed to facilitate open market sales. Now, let's talk numbers. The selling price of wheat has experienced a decline, reaching Rs 2,152 per quintal in the recent e-auction. This is a drop from the Rs 2,254 per quintal recorded in the auction just 2 weeks ago. In the case of rice, despite a reduction in the base price to Rs 29 per kilogram, traders have shown sluggish interest in the open market sale. The weighted average selling price of rice slid to Rs 3,023 per quintal from Rs 3,163 per quintal in the auction on August 9. Speaking of rice, the government took action last week by imposing an immediate ban on the export of non-basmati white rice. And to add to that, the FCI has ceased providing rice to distilleries for ethanol manufacturing. The government's also been actively involved in stabilizing the market. They have implemented stock holding limits on wheat for the first time since 2008, affecting traders, wholesalers, and retailers until March 31, 2024. This step is aimed at controlling the surge in prices and ensuring market stability. And there you have it, folks. The agro-commodity landscape is always full of surprises, and these recent developments are definitely ones to watch closely. Stay tuned to Ajayastromoneyguru for more in-depth analysis and updates on agro-commodities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay informed. Until next time, happy trading!